Every factory said no, too complex, not worth the risk. I'm Clive. Today I'm showing you how we take the CAD file nobody else will touch and turn it into a flawless, production-ready part. Let's get into it. Here's the dirty truth. Most factories sees a complex CAD and just calculate risk. Sharp internal corners? No. Exotic alloys with aggressive geometry? No. Complex features requiring simultaneous 5-axis engagement? No. Why? Because their process wasn't engineered for it. They are forcing standard toolpaths onto non-standard problems, and when they hit a wall, they blame the design. We don't ask, can we make this? We ask, how do we engineer this process? That's the difference. We break down every single feature. Tight corners, we burn them dead sharp with precision EDM. Complex contours, full 5-axis sweeps. Glass smooth, no witness lines. Hardened steel chewing up tooling, we dial in scientific parameters. No broken tools, no thermal distortion. We don't guess, we engineer. And here's the part most factories skip. We don't just machine it and ship it with just a trust me. We prove it. Every critical dimension gets verified on our Zeiss CMM. Undeniable, auditable, green data. No blind spots when the part hits your assembly line. You don't hope it fits, you know it fits. That's how you breeze through certification without losing sleep. So here's the deal. If you've got a CAD file sitting on your desk that other factories already turned down, that's not an injection, that's an invitation. Send it to us. We just don't cut metal, we engineer the impossible. Drop your CAD in the link below. Subscribe for the next breakdown and let me know in the comments what's the impossible part you're dealing with right now. Let's get to work.